Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can track a video. So just look for the video that you like to track, the character, the person, the individual that you like to track is like a person, an object, wherever it is. I'll show you in this video how you can track someone. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any seconds. So let's just select the video. If you want to track someone, select the video, and then when you select the video, you have a couple of options here right at the top right corner, which are video, audio, speed, animation, and tracking. So now you are in the tracking panel, and here you can track someone. So from here we can select, we can size and resize exactly which object, which character, whatever it is we want to track. Preferably it is someone, it has to be someone that is moving, that is doing something, and then just click on start. And no track clips found, just because there's no one moving in this clip. But as I said, that's pretty much how you track someone. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.